Hi, my name is Mary Joan Black. I am a physician in Spartanburg, South Carolina with Kona. I've been associated with them since 1997. I grew up in Spartanburg, was born and raised here. I went to college at Wake Forest University, go Deacs. Then medical school at Charleston University, Medical University, South Carolina, and orthopedic residency at the University of Florida in Jacksonville. And when I first got here, I did a little bit of everything. I would call myself a generalist when I first arrived. I've since specialized more in arthroscopic shoulders, arthroscopic knees, upper extremity injuries, fractures. Don't do any of the joint replacements or spine work. So that's my niche in our group. One of the things that I'm often asked by patients is, am I related to the Mary Black Hospital crowd? And yes, I am. Mary Black was my great-grandmother. The hospital was founded by my grandfather and his brother and my father, Sam Jr. So that puts me as a fourth-generation surgeon in Spartanburg. And I think it makes a very good story. It's the roots here run deep for me and a lot of people in our group. I grew up surrounded by physicians. When I was a little girl, we used to go on house calls with my father. I remember the pager always being with him, always going off. So I think I knew at a young age just what kind of commitment it took to be a physician, especially an independent physician in this community, the dedication and the commitment that you had to do. And when I was in medical school and later on in residency, I would often call my father to ask what he would do in a situation and whatnot. And one of the things that I remember the most him saying was, just take care of the patient and everything else will take care of itself.